ServiceNow Field Service Management revolutionizes field service with automated workflows and AI-driven solutions. It empowers teams to focus on high-value tasks, reducing the burden of manual work. This ensures efficient and proactive customer service. To fully understand the transformative power of field service management, let's begin with an overview of what field service entails. Field service involves the planning and delivery of services by a provider and is dependent on time, location, and skills of an agent. It requires an agent to travel to the customer location to install, repair, and maintain services. That means getting the right person with the right skill set and the right level of empowerment to resolve customer needs efficiently, transparently, and proactively. Field service management is used to facilitate a wide range of services for both residential and commercial equipment, for example, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, water treatment, solar power systems, wind turbines, and automated teller machines. Additionally, field service management can be used to facilitate things like landscaping, furniture delivery, and even dog walking services. Field service can be either internal or external. Internal field service is a service provided to company-owned and operated equipment or assets, while external field service is a service provided to customer-owned and operated equipment or assets. Let's view this from the perspective of the fictional company, Field Titans, who owns, operates, and provides services for wind farms. In this example, Field Titans is servicing wind turbines on a wind farm which they own, providing services to their own assets, which is an example of internal field service. If Field Titans is servicing wind turbines on a wind farm which they do not own, then they are providing services to customer-owned assets, which is an example of external field service. There are 4 common types of field service models. The first model is a reactive model, which typically includes break fixes. For example, an automated teller machine, or ATM, service provider owns and operates cash machines at various locations. Field agents need to be dispatched at the right time to perform skilled work, such as fixing a broken keypad or installing software or hardware at various customer locations. The second model is a planned model, which allows companies to schedule work automatically. For example, an ATM machine needs regular maintenance, such as replacing receipt paper every 1,800 uses, and this can be scheduled automatically via preventive maintenance to ensure the ATM service is not interrupted. The third model is a project model, which involves execution of related tasks planned over a fixed period of time. For example, installation or upgrading wiring for an entire building, which involves several agents working on sequential or parallel tasks over the span of a month. Workflows can be used to manage the dependencies of these tasks to schedule and dispatch agents in the right order. The fourth field service model is a predictive model, which requires proactive monitoring. For example, a sensor on a cold storage unit detects it may be overheating. An agent is proactively sent to the site to fix the problem. Now you can identify types of field service management, differentiate between internal and external field service, and identify the 4 common types of field service. After this video, complete a short knowledge check to test your understanding of this field service management overview.